What is this? I've had this question for many years, and this thing right here has been taunting me with its mystery. What is it? I decided to do some research for this project to find out what it is and what I can do with it. And I might also teach a few more photography terms, simply so you can understand what I'm explaining. It's kind of like a crash course in photography in that sense. Well, this thing right here is called an image histogram. It's called that because it's a histogram that represents the number of pixels of each shade of gray. But guys, what I learned from my research is not to use this kind of histogram because chances are it only represents one color channel from the image. Now I know what you're thinking. Hey Catherine, what the heck is a color channel? Well, if you know how an LCD pixel looks like this, right? Well, a color channel is what an image would look like if only one of those three little lights were lit. The kind of histogram that would be good to use would be the kind that includes all three of these color channels. This kind of image histogram is called a color histogram, and it is the histogram of the red, green, and blue channels individually all laid on top of each other. It's a complete representation of all of the colors in your image. Now, the next thing you may be wanting to ask me is, why on earth should I know this? How is it going to be useful to me? Well, when I was doing my research, I discovered that you can use an image histogram to tell when an image is over or underexposed, which basically means if the image has too much or too little light. It's poorly exposed if there are no pixels on either side of the histogram, and also poorly exposed if the histogram starts to quote-unquote climb the walls. Well, I hope you found this video entertaining as well as informative. If you want to get into photo editing, GIMP is a great free open source editing program that you can use to edit your photography. Have a nice day. May the odds be ever in your favor. Bye.